Okay, no rain. It's been down 32 degrees, 31 degrees today. It's supposed to get colder. We're supposed to have snow, but so far, nothing doing. And this is one of the areas where I always have somebody try to break into my van or steal equipment, so I'm going to make sure I lock my van up. We're down in Bremerton, and we're not too far from, these are nice little apartments, but we're not too far from the naval base. So, and I'll take a walk over here and show you where I'm at. You can see the weather. Yeah, the naval base is just back over beyond that building. Sky's a little overcast, but not bad. Like I said, these are nice apartments. There's just some riffraff up the street and in some of the lower areas in this region. Number 2. All right. And when I say riffraff, I just mean, like probably drug dealers. And then that causes, I'm going to try this out today and we'll see how it works. But that causes people to look for stuff to steal, to sell quick at a pawn shop. That's what happened to my 2 Kirby vacuums. I was able to recover one of them. So if they break in my van and take the one today, they're going to get the power speed there. Love that thing, but now they're on sale at Home Depot for $49.99. One of the best vacuums I've ever owned. It's powerful, easy to clean, only weighs 6 pounds. Okay, so back to the job. The young military gentleman said he vacuumed it, but excuse me, you'll see that it has not been vacuumed. There's a couple black spots, and then the entryway to the door. You could see the traffic in the spots a little better, through the naked eye than you can through the camera. Not a big job. This is going to be the pre-vacuuming video for my vacuuming crowd, along with the pre-walkthrough. And then I'll have the Auric Orbiter cleaning video in a separate video because this took a while. And I like to be thorough. I know a lot of people sometimes watch my vacuuming and they think I'm slinging that thing around. It depends on what I see being sucked up. These black marks should come right out. That mixture that I mixed up earlier, I'll kind of soak those areas and rub it in with my foot and they'll be fine, along with the traffic. Okay. And I have the thing around my neck and I feel like it's bouncing. I don't know. It doesn't look too bad here in the video, but let me know what you guys think. You'll see in a few minutes here I'm going to take it off and hang it on the doorknob because I just think it's got too much movement and bounce to it, and I'll end up holding it by hand again. And that's me trying to adjust it. We're working with the Auric XL Pro today. Absolute amazing machine. There's a right way and a wrong way. If you use it the right way, you have a lot of patience, it'll get the job done. So I'll let you watch the vacuuming here, and I'll catch up with you in just a moment. Okay. I've got to take this thing off. I think it's too much motion. Let me know what you guys think about that previous portion. If it works good, I'll put it back on. But for now, no way. It would be nice to be able to utilize that, and that way I have two hands free. So, okay, I'm going to get back at it. Catch up with you in a moment. All right. You can see it's not clogged up on the top. It picked up all that soil. As for him saying that it was pre-vacuumed, no. Always pre-vacuum before you do a job. All right. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell for future notifications. Thank you.